folks, I'm down at Deivi Smart Shop, and that's located just across from Playero. You look at the entrance there. So you go into this little mall where you can also walk through to Petro Clisanta. Anyway, let's go in and have a look here. Okay, so here we are. Hola, Deivi. So Deivi, he specializes in repairing cell phones, computers, and selling many different accessories for different devices. I'm going to just zoom in on some of it. And cell phones, watches, you got headsets, different cables, connectors, anything you need for your electronic appliances. Come down and check it out here. There's even keyboards, game consoles, bit of everything here. And for the repairs, he has another room at the back where they get into the finest details. You can see microscopes over there, so they can handle some really small stuff here. Anyway, I'm going to show you the office hours, and you'll know when to come down. All right, 2 seconds. All right, so we got Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So come on down to DSS, Deivi Smart Shop.